Hi guys, this is the final fan in the house. This is a newer one. It's Harbor Breeze Merrimack, I think it's pronounced. I don't know, but yeah, some Harbor Breeze outdoor fan here in this sunroom, which they obviously added on. Is obviously an addition to the house.
Yes, because there's an outdoor light still there.
Yeah, and the windows too.
Yep, and the windows.
Here's a remote.
Okay, there's the light. Dim the light to show how it dims.
Okay. That's not dimming.
Oh. Do you not know how to...
This is the quality of Harbor Breeze, guys.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Those things must be hard to use then. Okay, then turn the light off. Yeah, just turn the light off now. Now low. Is that low or medium?
That's low.
Okay.
This fan's not even very old. It's already warped.
Warped? I thought this was an outdoor fan.
I know, that's just the quality of Harbor Breeze.
Do you think the Titmans would?
No, they're not very good either. A lot.
Well, it's because I know they have Hampton Bay Quick Connect motors. And like, remember those Quick Connects in Farmington and Niagara on the Lake? How warped the blades were on those? Like,
yeah.
Some people still think Quick Connects are outdoor fans.
Yeah.
But they're actually...
The Quick Connects are not outdoor fans. Okay, so here's medium. That's wobble.
Medium. And then...
It's kind of dirty, too, from being outside.
And then high?
It's Brandon.
Yeah.
Hi.
There's Brian. High.
Yeah. Surprisingly, though, it doesn't actually make a whole ton of noise. It actually doesn't really make any noise at all. Considering it's Harbor Breeze, it's very quiet. It doesn't blow very much air, though. Let me get the light on.
Yeah, show the fan and light on together. Oh, and I guess for all of you, you want to see the remote. There it is.
Okay, we'll get it off.
And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.